So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and fix the TikTok AI Alive feature if it's not working for you. Now, the new AI Alive feature basically turns your photos into like alive things if you wanted to, which is kind of cool. Now, this one, I tried to make it work so you can see it kind of works a little bit. So this was a photo, but now it turned it into like a real life image, which is kind of creepy. Now, if that's not working for you, the way to go ahead and even get it to work for you in the first place is to go through and click on your inbox button at the very bottom right here. And then you want to go ahead and basically click on the story panel to create a new story. Then you can bring in a photo or a post or whatever you want to do. So in this case, we can bring in this photo again. And there's that AI Alive option. Now, if that's missing for you, what you want to do is you want to go through, you want to make your way over into your app store. So open up your app store like this, click on the search button, and all you're going to want to do is search up TikTok. So search up TikTok like this, and you want to update your TikTok application. If your TikTok is very outdated or you haven't updated it in a long time, well, that's probably going to be the issue. So try going through, try fixing that particular problem that way, and that might end up fixing it for you. That's pretty much the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if you do that and that's not working, another thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about here is to go through and to see what prompts you're telling AI Alive to do. So if your prompts, if you come over here and you say, make this photo come to life, right? You might want to go through and see if you can rearrange this particular text to make it do something that you want it to do. Because in some cases, I would have like made a text and it didn't really do a good job and it didn't even look like it was doing anything. But then that one I just showed you did actually show like it was actually moving something. So try coming into here, try taking advantage of that, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it for you. So that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.